Would you believe that most times the solution to our problems are right there, but the obvious isn't always obvious? The good news is, you won't have to suffer anymore after watching this video. Let's unmask the secret superpowers of boring everyday kitchen ingredients like ginger. Stick around to the end to find out one massive secret that has been hidden from us all this time. From its many species to a myriad of health benefits, there is a lot more to ginger than meets the eye. Ginger is an ancient spice that has been used for centuries both for its flavor and powerful medicinal properties. Modern science now confirms what traditional medicine has long known, that ginger contains a unique combination of therapeutic compounds and essential oils that yield a wide array of health benefits. Making ginger a part of your daily routine can transform your health in some amazing ways. Here are a few. The first health benefit is immune system support. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants like gingerols and showgales, which help cleanse the lymphatic system, flush toxins, and keep your immunity strong. Ginger also thins mucus and clears the airways, making it easier to breathe. The warming properties of ginger increase circulation, which helps transport immune cells quickly. Try sipping ginger tea or adding ginger to your stir-fries and soups to harness its immune-boosting prowess. Next up is improved digestion. Ginger increases digestive fire without aggravating acidity. It improves digestion by speeding up the movement of food from the stomach into the intestines. Ginger also minimizes bloating, heaviness and flatulence and is highly effective for relieving indigestion, nausea, and heartburn. For better digestion, drink ginger juice mixed with mint leaves and lemon half an hour before meals. Health benefit number 3. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory action of ginger works like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory painkillers to alleviate swelling and sore joints. Scientifically proven to be highly effective for osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, ginger soothes swollen tissue and minimizes morning stiffness and pain. Include fresh or dried ginger in your cooking or brew ginger tea to fight inflammation. Another health benefit is to regulate blood sugar. Ginger enhances carbohydrate metabolism and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. It acts as a digestive enzyme to stimulate insulin release while simultaneously increasing sensitivity of cells to uptake glucose, thereby keeping blood sugar under control. Diabetics can benefit by incorporating ginger into dressings, cooking, and beverages. The fifth benefit is its support of heart health. Studies prove that ginger extract lowers unhealthy triglycerides and cholesterol, prevents blood clotting, and relaxes blood vessels, providing protection against atherosclerosis and heart attacks. Gingerol and other active compounds present in ginger regulate key enzymes linked with hypertension to maintain healthy blood pressure. Include ginger in stir-fry or grated ginger with honey to safeguard your cardiovascular system. Next, ginger relieves nausea. A superior remedy for motion sickness, morning sickness, and chemotherapy-induced nausea, ginger minimizes dizziness and vomiting by absorbing stomach acid and relaxing the stomach. Its quicker absorption and rapid regulation of body equilibrium makes it far more effective than common over-the-counter medicines. Drink ginger tea before setting out on sea voyages or trips. The seventh benefit is enhanced weight loss. Ginger accelerates metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories at rest even hours after eating it. It leaves you feeling full for longer by regulating the appetite-inducing hormones leptin and ghrelin. The fat-burning properties of ginger help mobilize fat stores to be used up as fuel for energy generation, making it a prime ingredient in weight loss recipes and fat-burning diet plans. Health benefit number 8. Improves skin texture. Ginger is an exceptional cleanser and detoxifier that leaves skin glowing, hydrated, and youthful. It removes toxins, stimulates circulation, reduces scarring, alleviates itching from eczema, and protects against skin damage from environmental pollution. Drinking ginger juice or applying ginger pulp on the face daily noticeably improves skin tone and complexion over time. Did you know that ginger also boosts brain power? It is considered a brain tonic in the ancient Indian medical system, due to its ability to enhance memory, improve cognitive function, and protect against age-related neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and dementia. Sipping ginger tea has been correlated with better reaction time, alertness, concentration, and improved mood. Try adding freshly grated ginger to milk or water and having it first thing in the morning. Before we talk about the last top secret and most important and health benefit of all, let's look at the different varieties of ginger. There are at least 1,300 different species of ginger found all over the world, so be sure you know which one you are using. The 5 most common ones are as follows. Species number 1. Common culinary ginger. Chances are, this is the tan, knobby ginger root you often see in grocery stores. What you may not know is that this ginger originated in China and India over 3,000 years ago. Back then, it was used for medicinal purposes and wasn't popularly used for cooking until much later. Then we have the Jamaican ginger. If you like it hot, then Jamaican ginger is likely your match made in heaven. Native to the Caribbean island of Jamaica, this spice packs some serious heat and is often described as being more pungent than regular ginger. Legend has it that in the mid-1600s, the first Jamaican ginger crops sprouted from the wreckage of a Spanish ship that was transporting ginger plants. The hardy ginger plants amazingly still grew despite the unlikely conditions. And we're sure glad it did, because Jamaican jerk dishes just wouldn't quite be the same without it. The Australian ginger is next. Now this next variety may surprise you. Yes, there is such a thing as Australian ginger. Native to the subtropical rainforests of Australia, this plant with edible rhizomes is said to not be botanically related to culinary ginger at all. So why do people call it Australian ginger? Well, while it has a distinctly different flavor and appearance from regular ginger, it can be used as a flavorful substitute. We also must include the Hawaiian ginger. If you're lucky enough to visit the Hawaiian Islands, keep an eye out for their local variety of edible ginger known as awapuhi. Unlike typical ginger plants which grow several feet high, Hawaiian awapuhi ginger stays low to the ground and has fragrant flowers that adapters can brew into a medicinal tea. The last species we'll look at is Galangal. Our last variety is native to South Asia and is another ginger lookalike and is a bit of a troublemaker. Galangal belongs to the same plant family as ginger and even looks almost identical to its popular relative. But if you happen to grab one instead of the other while cooking, you're in for a big surprise. Unlike the more muted flavor of ginger, Galangal has an intense piney taste with sour citrus notes. So, if you're expecting classic ginger flavor in your recipe and use Galangal instead, you will not be happy. Make sure to carefully distinguish between ginger and Galangal. Galangal has thinner skin and lacks the fibrous texture of ginger inside. Now, let's get back to the final and top secret health benefit of ginger. The final and probably the most eye-opening health benefit is its anti-cancer properties. Yes, you heard right. According to the National Library of Medicine, promising research shows that ginger exhibits powerful anti-cancer properties by blocking cancer progression and depriving tumors of the blood supply they need to grow. It not only inhibits growth and spread of existing cancer cells but also helps prevent the formation and multiplication of new cancerous cells within the body. Include fresh or dried ginger liberally in soups, curries, and rice preparations. Add it to your stir-fried veggies, soups, stews, dressings, smoothies, etc. Ginger is truly an invaluable superfood that offers a myriad of health benefits to transform your well-being. If you made it this far in the video, we should be friends. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear from you, so let us know in the comments what secret facts surprised you the most. See you in the next one, but until then, stay healthy and stay happy.